Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to find old WhatsApp messages without scrolling in 2025. So let's head over to our Play Store first. And from here, go to the search icon on the lower right corner. And here, search for WhatsApp. And in here, go to this WhatsApp Messenger. And here click on update. So if you just click on update and update to your WhatsApp to your latest version, and then just make sure you install it and then head over to your WhatsApp. So once you're in your WhatsApp, just head over to any group or any specific conversation from which you want to see your voice message or you want to see any message from. So in here, what you have to do is to tap on this group's name. And here you will find the search icon just beside the add option. And here, and once you tap on search, here you will find this calendar icon on the top right, just beside the arrows. So tap on the calendar and here you can just choose any date or time you want. So suppose we are searching for February, like let's go for January 1 and click on OK. And as you can see, it is showing me a message of 7 January. If I just search for, like, let's say 7th of January, and click on OK. And it's currently showing me the 7th January messages. So yeah, this is how you can just find your old WhatsApp messages without scrolling endlessly. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And we will see you in the next video.